and good morning boys and girls in class. The first day back today, and we've got our new topic to get excited about, which is down at the farm. Which is your favourite animal, I wonder? But let's get started, ready for phonics today because we are learning a new sound. But before we learn a new sound, what do we need to do?
Recap the sound we already know.
Recap the sounds we already know. Let's go, go, go! I bet you can't remember. Because we've had a week off, I bet you can't remember these. Let's see who can. You've remembered? Well done!
Go, 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 go.
I'm very proud of you. And back to boys and girls, give yourself a tomato ketchup clap. I am so pleased with how well you remembered them. Sticker for you at home and sticker for each one of you in the class. That is fantastic. Now put on your thinking caps. Give yourself a sprinkle of ready dust. Turn on your listening ears. Because today we are learning a new sound. And for this sound, we need to get our bat out. Hold on to your bat. And we hit the ball. Bat, ball. Bat, ball. Bat, ball. The sound we are learning today is B. Can you all say that? Do any of you have the B sound in your name? Yes. It is B for Bobby. Now this is a lowercase b, but in your name you'll do the capital B, won't you? Because your name is very important, and important things, like people's names, need a capital. So this is just if it's in the middle of words. But how many B sounds have you got in your name, Bobby? And then the one at the beginning, you've got 3. B, B, and B. So you've got capitals and lowercases. Should we write your name so everybody can see how many B sounds are in? So we've got a capital because he's important. B, O, B, B, E. Bobby. 1, 2, 3. He has 3 B sounds in his name. Do any of you at home have the B sound in your name? So, when we think about the B sound, we write it like this. Get your magic writing fingers ready. Give them a wiggle. Give them a bounce. Boing, boing, boing. We start at the top of the old pirate's boot. And we go down the boot, around the toe. Down the boot, around the toe. Down the boot, around the toe. Let's try that in the air. So we go down the boot, around the toe. And we often get this confused with another sound when we are writing it, because it looks a little bit like a D. But the dinosaur faces the other way. The boot faces that way. So we need to remember that when we're doing it. But it's okay if you get it mixed up a little bit. We will practice that in school. So, Fred the Frog has brought along some words that begin with the B sound. My turn first. He brought along a ball. Let's say that. Ball. Well done. He brought along a bike. Your turn. Bike. And a boot. Your turn. Boot. And last of all, he brought along a bag. Your turn. Bag. So there are lots of words that begin with the B sound, and lots of words that have the sound in it, in the middle or the end. Now, before we practice writing the B sound, we need to watch the espresso video, and then we will learn a little bit more about it. Have a lovely day, boys and girls. See you soon.
What have you got there, Scrap?
That letter makes the sound B. Can you say that sound? B. Keep your lips together and push out the loud sound. B. Practice with me. B. B is for bee. Buzzing bee. How do we write the letter that makes the sound B?
Right, get your magic writing fingers ready. So we go down the boot, around the toe. Beautiful, well done. Let's try that one more time before we write it on our work at home. We go down the boot, around the toe. Well done.
So you know how to write the letter and you've learned how to say the letter sound B. Now listen out for it in these words. Bus, biscuit, bed, bed. Now you know B. Brilliant!